You like God back on down for flag. Go slap you on down. One life is a
Guys, no be small thing. No. This matter no be small thing. This buzz between VeryDarkMan and Mr Jollof is very, very crazy. As it stands like this, two of these people right now, they have been taken in by the officers, and right now they are in custody. No be small thing. No. This will kasala burst today by 12 a.m. I mean 12 p.m. when Mr. Jollof and VeryDarkMan confronted each other after their series of online beef. No be small thing, no. Some people are saying that they are disappointed in VeryDarkMan because VeryDarkMan is always saying that, people should coordinate themselves whenever they get on flights. But him coming again to do this kind of thing in public, it is very, very crazy. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to leave you guys to watch the full video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also turn on the bell for more updates. This matter to joke.
God back on down for flag. Go slap you on down. One life is a VDM. Get a ball. If you like gym, wasted muscles, now what for you? Shout out to JJ Jollof. This is a proof that you can be big for nothing. You understand? If you watch this video very well, if you now watch the fight well, when I see say the guy just tries to stop the fight, stop the argument, he just because he don't look and say man to man, Jollof that person is supposed to wage. About senior Jollof, now Jollof feed down for lip. Boah! Before I call your old Jollof, they call the night tiny Jollof. Now some of them they say, the tiny Jollof, they do this one, they do that one. Una be mumu. On a normal, say worry boy. You get many of una, when we see that kind best with the kind statue, body structure, una go quiet. As he tell una say, shut up your mouth, I go call beat for them. Una go quiet because na no one beat. But we will not fear anything. We come up against anything. We will not feel intimidated. But see, what Jollof survivor instincts. It is now. Some of now they say, why go over bite? If not me, I'll bite the eye. I'll bite the eye. Survivor instinct. You don't do where like say you they choke. There's nothing you can really do because this guy is bigger than you. You don't cramp. You don't position you for corner. Any way to take come off, if you like blow a brocos, any how you want to come off for that situation. That's what Jollof did. Survivor instinct. Bite all the, if you bite his shares, come outside. Give her bulldog style. Bite his shares, come survivor instinct. As you come outside small, now you land another blow for your face. You understand? So I like as your letter, I know say come. Let me say you come and a flawless victory. No, pull up with a fight. Pull up with a fight. We're not a fight, so, but we'll defend ourselves.
VDM, all those blow you give Mr. Jollof, it go take 4 weeks to give. We go watch Mr. Jollof for 4 weeks. If anything do Mr. Jollof, now you want the day. Oh. Mr. Jollof children, if you did not wear Christmas clothes this year, it's because of VDM. Oh, VDM beat your daddy in the plane. How fast all the 100 VDM sees? Come on, Jollof, I dey shape for you, not how you fat.
Oh, I don't chop Jollof, father. Where's I please? See the